Let's make the fluffiest, most delicious protein pancakes you've ever tasted. In a large bowl, add the eggs, the kefir, and your sweetener. Gently mix everything together. Continue by adding the baking soda. And mix again, slowly, until well combined. Now, add the oatmeal flour and the protein powder. Mix the composition until smooth and uniform. Let the batter rest for about 5 minutes. This will help it become light and fluffy. In a non-stick pan, pour the batter and cook the pancakes gently. I made 3 large pancakes, but you can make them smaller if you like. Serve your pancakes with creamy Greek yogurt and fresh berries. And now, take a bite and enjoy this delicious, healthy treat. If you love this quick recipe, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy and healthy desserts. Enjoy!